Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future reviews and recommendations. Today, I want to talk to you about an incredible product that has revolutionized the way I manage my smart home, the SONOFF SNZB-02D Zigbee temperature humidity sensor. This state-of-the-art device is a game-changer when it comes to home automation, real-time monitoring, and seamless integration with Ewelink, Alexa, Google Home Assistant, and more. With the SONOFF SNZB-02D, you can say goodbye to constantly monitoring the temperature and humidity levels in your home, because this sensor does it for you. Its advanced technology provides real-time data, allowing you to make informed decisions about your home environment. Whether you're adjusting the thermostat, managing your air conditioning, or simply keeping an eye on the climate in different areas of your home, this sensor has got you covered. Not only does the SONOFF SNZB-02D make your life easier, it also contributes to energy efficiency, cost savings, and overall comfort. By automatically adjusting your home systems based on the data it provides, you can reduce energy waste and optimize comfort levels for you and your family. And the best part? Installation is a breeze, and the sensor's sleek design seamlessly blends into any home decor. It's a small investment that will make a big impact on your daily life. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your very own SONOFF SNZB-02D Zigbee temperature humidity sensor and take the next step towards a smarter, more efficient home. Don't miss out on this game-changing device. It's time to upgrade your smart home experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.